The needle comes out from the top of the leaf. The needle is inserted into the midline of the leaf. Form a line about half the width of the leaf. The needle comes out from the slightly lower right of the top. The needle is inserted slightly below and to the left of the midline, crossing the previous line. The needle comes out from the slightly lower left of the top. The needle is inserted slightly below and to the right of the midline, crossing the previous line. The needle comes out from the further lower right of the top, along the edge of the leaf. The needle is inserted into the further lower, crossing the previous line. Embroider in the same way until you are done.